Hello, boys and girls. If you look at that lead thing, we've been winning leagues since before you were all born, which is a really cool start tradition that everybody wants to kind of match up really fast. We got the phenomenal Justin Fee. We got co-captain Chris Hendricks. We got new fourth grader Austin Julia. We got Matt. We got Chris Raging Roster, who's currently partaking in anger management. We got James Gringo Bambino Bickle. We got my favorite Asian with the glowing hands, Mark Gatto. The only real athlete on the team, Justin Watson. Everybody's favorite ladies man, Nick Cantu. Jay Gambling Problem Delani. Tricky Rick, my round and round baby. Now let's go, everybody! Golf is a great sport. We've been winning a lot. Second most successful team for CIF out of school. Don't come out to support because you're not allowed to.